this video for the ClickFunnels review blog post, and I just want you guys to see how powerful ClickFunnels really is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how the back office of ClickFunnels actually looks like. So this is what it is over here. When I create my funnels, I just created a simple funnel here with an opt-in page and a thank you page, just to demonstrate for you guys for this video, right? So here I have my opt-in page, and then I can do split test variations too, and I can change over here the URL. I can do a lot of other things over here. I can even see who's opted into this page already by clicking here on contacts. So let's say I just want to edit this page. I say, hey, this page is looking a little plain. Let's go in there so I can edit that. So we're here in the ClickFunnels editor, and as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's pretty interactive. When I hover, these little squares and rectangles pop up with more options and so on. So let's say, hey, you know what? This video will look better on the right hand side. So I just move it over there, and I put this over here instead, and then and then I just move all this stuff over just like that in a couple seconds. Let's see you do that with any other capture page creator available online today. So let's say, hey, you know what? I want to add a headline to this. So I'm going to add a new section here, and then I'm going to click here, add a new row, one column block, meaning there's only one whole thing. And this over here is a 2-column block. So you see 1, 2. All right. So then I'm going to add that in there, headline, text. So then I'm going to say, okay, here's my headline. But you know what? I think the headline looks better at the top, so I just click that, and it just boom goes right to the top, right? So you see how quick that is? It saves so much time, And let's say, you know what? Over here I should probably add a few testimonials. I'm going to add about 3, so I'm going to make a 3-column block. I'm just going to go in there, and I'm just going to add, let's say, let's go through and over here, I'm just going to add an image feature, right? Which has an image and it has a text block, right? So then over here you see I can have my testimonial with a picture of someone here, and here's a testimonial, just like that. I can go in, image feature, and I can just go in and add that 3 testimonials right there at the bottom of the page. You see how that within a couple minutes we've created a relatively good page. We just go in here and do our headline. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but I'm going to say my awesome system reveals secret way to gain customers, ... and there's my headline, blah blah, and reveals how to start your first online business in as little as 45 minutes per day. I have my email address here, boom, and then I have my actual button over here. So I can go into each one of these elements and click on this little gear over here, right? And it's going to take me to options that I have, to even further options that I can control. So if I want to put a YouTube video in there, I just put the YouTube URL, and I play with these options over here with the width and the height until I have it how I like it. And let's say, you know what, I think this is too far up, so let me go in there, and I'm going to make that a little closer. I just do that, and boom, that's done already, And let's say, hey, you know what, I think I need to go in and make the bottom a little closer too. So boom, that's done. Just by a touch of a button, it's done. The same thing over here. I can edit all these things, right? So you see how that works. You can go in and you can change the elements, and you can go in. I can change the button. Let's say I want the button to be red instead, and I just click that, and I change the button to red. And let's say, you know what, I want to change that text. Click here if you're awesome, and I just leave it like that, right? So another great thing about this is that I can go in here and I can edit the meta tags, which means the way that this page shows up in the search engine. So I can just go ahead and add let's say I want to add this page title here, and then I have my page description. I can even add keywords. I can say, hey, I'm the author of this page, and I can even add a social share image. So when I share this funnel on, let's say, Twitter or like on Facebook, I want this picture to show up. So I just add that in, and boom, that's done already. I go back, I can add tracking codes over here. I can add a download. If this is a free download PDF, I can just add that in right away so they get the download as soon as they put in their email. I can redirect this page to another page. I can add custom CSS. I can, show the affiliate badge or not. I can hide it, if I want people to know that this is a ClickFunnels page. And, if they see the badge and click on it and actually purchase ClickFunnels, they can make money. I can make money off of that click. So you might want to leave that on. So then over here I can integrate my emails and Aweber, GetResponse, whatever you want really. I can integrate my shopping carts. This is just, there's really no limit, to all of this stuff. So then I save and exit. And also there's really no way to break those pages, because as soon as it sees that there's something wrong, it's going to give you a warning. Say, hey, this page needs this and that in order to work properly. So I can go ahead and create a split test. From this page, I can start with what I did here, or I can start from a completely new template if I click here. So you see how that works. And let's say, you know what, I don't want this to be so simple. I want to add a one-time offer, so I'm going to add a new step and call this one-time offer. Don't show it in the funnel, because this is a live funnel. I don't want people seeing half a page until it's done. So then I have my OTO, and then I go in here and I can see all the different options that ClickFunnels offers. They have sales pages, product launch pages, order form pages, one-click upsell, one-click downsell, order confirmation, webinar, registration, thank you, auto registration, auto content, broadcast room, replay room, membership areas, member access, click pops, which means it's a pop-up on your website. I can organize these by the ones that are top converting. So I want to do a one-time offer page. So here is the top converting offer page. So I can go in here. I can select this template. I want to work with that. And here's my one-time offer page. It's not in the funnel because I haven't added it yet. But when I'm ready to add it in, I can just add it in over here. Click Add to Funnel. Or if I don't like this page, I can just delete the whole thing right away. So as you can see here, you can have your shopping cart integrations and so on. So I can go in and edit this page the same way as before. So I want to show you here the automation tab, which is really cool. You can create actions according to what people do. If they see the page but they didn't purchase, or in the one-time offer case, if they didn't purchase, I can add that action and send them to a different page after that. If they did purchase, I can create an action and send them to a page for that, or even add that email to a different list, to a buyers list or to a non-buyers list. If they're opting in with their phone number, I can even send them a different text message. This is endless possibilities, guys. Endless possibilities, and I think it's about $37 a month, which is really cheap, and it's really worth it. You can create a ton of funnels with that, and you can have a whole bunch of visits on your page as well per month, just by paying that monthly fee. So over here you can integrate your products. You can add products over here. You can publish this page to Facebook and add it into your Facebook fan page. You can get the code so it pops up in your website. You can get a WordPress plugin too. You can embed it wherever you want. You can create text message opt-ins as well. So this is, and the really awesome thing is over here, contacts. Once you've got your page running and you've got some stats to look at, the people that have actually opted in will be right here. So you don't have to go into Aweber, into GetResponse to look at your emails, who's opted in. You can see them right here and download them, boom, right away. And export them to another list if you want to add them here, over there, whatever you want to do with them. And I can go into settings. I can control some more stuff. I can control the fave icon, which is a little icon that shows in your browser. I can add tracking code here. You see the amount of options that we have are just really amazing. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and this free training video.